Today, I'm going to be depositing roughly $3,200 into the new Elephant Money farms for Bitcoin and Trunk. If you didn't know, Elephant Money is the largest decentralized community bank on the blockchain. With the new release of the Elephant Money farms, I could easily see this project becoming a top 50, if not even higher, project in all of crypto. In the long run, Elephant and Trunk will mint many new millionaires. Don't sleep on this project. Let's dive in. First, we'll need to send our Bitcoin over to the Binance Smart Chain. To do this, we'll need to trade our Bitcoin for Binance Bitcoin. Here's how. If you are in the United States, I recommend changenow.io. If you are outside of the States or using a VPN, I recommend easybit.io. For this tutorial, I will be using changenow.io. Enter the quantity of Bitcoin you would like to send in the top box and select BTCB in the bottom box. There is a 1.5% fee on ChangeNow, a little bit less on EasyBit. Select exchange. Now, you will be prompted to enter the wallet address you want the Binance Bitcoin to be sent to. Copy your wallet address for the Binance Smart Chain. I'm using MetaMask for this tutorial. Paste your wallet address that you want the Binance Bitcoin to go to into the recipient wallet box. Select Next. Confirm the details of the transaction are correct and select Confirm. You will be given a Bitcoin wallet address. Return to your initiated transfer. Paste the address in the To box. Make sure you send the exact amount of Bitcoin as specified in your ChangeNow pending transaction. Select Continue. Ensure that all the details are correct. Select Request Withdrawal. Confirm your two-factor authentication. Now wait patiently for your Binance Bitcoin to appear in your wallet. Hooray! Your Binance Bitcoin has successfully transferred to your wallet. Now, we need to import the Binance Bitcoin token ID into our wallet. Go to your search browser and type BSC scan. Search for BTCB. On the right-hand side of the page, copy the contract ID. If you're using MetaMask like I am, select Import Tokens. Paste the token address in the Token Contract Address box. Select Add Custom Token. Select Import Token. We can now see our fresh BTCB. Now it's time to enter the farms. Remember, you need an equivalent amount of the blue chip asset and trunk to enter the farms. For my 0.1 BTCB with a market value of $1,600, I'll need an equivalent amount of trunk. In this case, roughly 4,500 trunk. In your search browser, type Elephant Money. Select elephant.money. Select Farm Blue Chip. Scroll down to the BTCB/trunk farm. Click Select. We will now need to approve both BTCB and trunk for use in the farm. Now confirm the trunk transaction. When finished, Ready will appear. Click Select. Click Deposit. Enter the quantity of BTCB you would like to farm. In my case, I'll select Max. Select Deposit and confirm the transaction. When finished, you can click Select to see your balance. Here you can see your current balance and current APY for the farm. This is also the place you use to deposit more blue chips, claim your rewards, or withdraw from the farms. Does all of this sound like mumbo jumbo? Need one-on-one help? Book a free Zoom call at DeFiSprings.com or reach out on TikTok or Instagram. Until next time.